Hi guys, and thanks for stopping by. So heat transfer method today. I am actually doing another fresh puree version, like soap. My last soap I did was that avocado puree soap, and I had a lot of fun with it. And then this group I'm in, some other people started doing them, and I was like, yeah, you know what, I'm gonna do another one. So I definitely have plans for a different soap, well, a couple different soaps, but I kind of moved them back, switched it up, because I really wanted to do this. So today is going to be a mango soap. So in case you don't know what heat transfer is, I'm taking my lye straight into my water, which had my Tessa silk in it. I'm going to use that to melt my hard butters and oils. So it's going to take me a couple minutes of stirring this. I will get that done and bring you guys back. So this is looking pretty thoroughly melted. Not seeing really any clumps left over, like anything's not melted. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my liquid oils. I already put my buttermilk powder, my kaolin clay, and then I put the mango puree in here as well. So I'm gonna get those dumped in here. Give it a whisk, and then give it a little blend, and get to making soap. Well, we are making soap, but you know, in my opinion, the funner part, you know, the coloring and pouring and the stuff I usually make a mess with, if I'm being honest. Right. Get those all. Oh, that also had my sodium lactate. So, yep, everything's in there. 7 different butters and oils, milk powder, sodium lactate, Tessa silk, kaolin clay, and mango puree. Fun stuff. All right, to get everything worked together to a light trace, I'm gonna go ahead and stick blend it. Okay, that seems to coat pretty nicely. We're definitely at a trace there. So, pop this over here. Today, since I'm doing the mango puree, I'm going to use Aztec's Green Mango Fragrance. I didn't grab the fragrance notes on that, go figure. So those will be in the description. And then for my colors, I'm going to do Micas and More Orange Yellow. I'm going to do some Mad Micas Bright Yellow Raincoat. Some Andy the Money Mica from Mad Micas. And then for the top, I'm going to use a little bit of Pineapple Assault glitter. So, the plan today is to do, goodness gracious, try out my hanger swirl tool. So, I'm also going to attempt frosting the top of this one. I have frosted one soap before. How many colors do I have? Right? Yes. Okay, we're good. Sorry, guys. Brain moment. I have frosted one soap before. It was the Winter Collab soap. It wasn't a terrible thing. I went to baking, culinary, whatever you want to call it, school, and like frosted things. Just for some reason, the thought terrifies me, and I keep avoiding it because of that. So I'm gonna try it again today. I'm gonna make myself do it. So yeah, I will be going ahead and piping on the top of this soap. Ooh, that's my dog. So yeah, that is the plan. So go ahead and I just realized I forgot a scooper for my colors. Okay, anyways, so the inside's gonna be those 3 colors. I've never used the yellow and the green, so I'm excited to try them out. Start with just a little bit. Words, what was I gonna say? I was talking about something. Oh well. Yeah. My brain is shot. We've been inside, not just inside, we've gotten outside, but like we've been stuck at home for way too long now. And I feel like I'm going brain dead. Just, yeah. Anyways, frosting, that's what it was. So I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to pipe the top of this one just white. But I think I'm gonna, ooh, look at that, I got orange on my sweater. I think I'm gonna attempt to do white. I'm a mess. Oh yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna attempt to do white on the top with maybe like a drizzle of color. One of these colors. Maybe 2 of these colors. I don't know, I haven't really decided yet. That is kind of a we'll figure it out when we get there thing, I guess. Isn't that how most of my stuff seems to go? So I swear I plan my soaps. I swear I do. But honestly, they usually just end up as a I'm winging it kind of deal, despite definitely having a plan going into it. You know? Oh, grits. So yeah, I swear I absolutely have a plan going into these things. It just doesn't ever seem to work out. Oh, fragrance oil. Whoops, let's do that. That would have sucked. Oh, it smells so good, I love it. It is very tropical. Delicious smelling. Like I said, I will put the fragrance notes in the description because I failed at like remembering to check those before I got doing this, and they are not at the top of my head. It was a free one I got. It was one of the ones they enticed me to order with because they're like, oh look, we have a new fragrance, make an order and give it to you free. And I was like, here you go. It's not really that hard to convince me to buy to buy fragrances. So yeah. But yeah, so my stuff has a plan. It just never seems to go entirely according to plan. I plan them out, I have a general idea, and then just kind of see what happens. So the fragrance is called Green Mango. So obviously I had to incorporate some green. But I wanted to, oh, that's ugly. That should hopefully morph back. It says it's cold process soluble. So that should morph back. And if it doesn't, oh well, it works. We'll make it work. Like I said, obviously I had to do green because it's green mango, but obviously also had to get some orange in there because mango. And then yellow, it's like that yellow orange mango, and I just needed another color because I wanted to do this. I don't know. I just wanted a third color. So these are it. These are our colors. Let's pour. I've never done this before, and I'm gonna be honest, I entirely meant to like watch a video before I start doing this to make sure I know what in the heck I'm doing. And I forgot. I got the kids to bed and just ran out here and was like, all right, let's go. You're asleep. It's go time. Yeah. So let's just go with it. Be honest, that is a little thicker than I wanted, probably, and that green is hideous. So let's hope this all works out a little better than it's looking like it might right now. Whatever, right? Point is, there will be soap and it will be colored and it will smell fabulous, and I think that's what mostly matters. And there will be at least some beautiful colors in there. Might be one a little funky one, but I really do think it'll morph back. Colors are weird when it comes to cold process soap sometimes. There's the first drop. Go, soap, go. Oh man, come on. Oh, that one made it in the bucket. Okay, I suck at making sure you guys can see when I'm pouring. I'm sorry. I gotta scrape this out and like get this in there. So I'm sorry if I am blocking your camera view for a minute, but I'm trying to make sure it actually ends up, you know, in the mold instead of all over the table or the side of my mold. I've done that a lot. I've had to scrub this thing clean way too much for the fact of I missed my mold and dumped it. Alright, let me get these scraped out and finished poured in. We'll come back to do the swirl. Alright, so got that poured. Let's see if I can do this. Yeah, it's thicker than I wanted, for sure. But maybe that'll be okay. All right. Well, oh, there it goes, guys. I swear one of these days my poor little like wooden box will not have soap spilled all over it. Anyways, that is all we're doing now. And I'm gonna go ahead and get the frosting set up and I'll bring you back when I do that. Alright, so I am back to pipe this. The kids are awake, so you will probably hear them. And see how this goes. This honestly took a lot longer than expected to set up. So, apologize about that. Not that you guys really know the difference. More apologizing for myself because, well, I guess it does make a difference because my kids are up now. Yeah, just was not wanting to like really set up today. I also didn't prepare it quite as early as I should have, which contributed some. I am not making these very even. It's been a long time since I've done piping. Like I said, I went to culinary school for a dual culinary baking and pastry thing. but oh, it has been a long time, as you can tell. So, and apparently, well, let's see. I might have enough to go do that top row. Apparently I did not perfectly calculate. So, oh jeez. Guys, like I said, I was terrified of piping, and this is why. I messed it up. Because it's a lot different than doing pressing. Okay, well, whatever. We're gonna take it as is. Sorry, last 3 bars. You're not really getting your full frosting there. And now I've got a giant mess on my table to clean up. Oh. I seriously almost backed out of frosting this, if I'm being honest. I came so close to just being like, oh, let's throw some glitter on top and call it a day, because I am too scared to do this. So I'm just going to do a mica oil drizzle. A little bit of that green. A little bit of that yellow, orange yellow, whatever it was. Okay, the green is not staying on there. Oh, here comes the kids. Alright, so guys, I don't know what's happening here. This top looks like crap. I obviously didn't do the mica drizzle right. I didn't do frosting right. So I don't really know what's happening here. I'm trying a new way of getting glitter on so that I can have less like heavy spots and maybe slightly better distribution. Again, I'm using that Pineapple Attack yellow glitter from Mad Micas. Okay, so that top, not great. Yeah, that's it. So I don't know, hopefully this works. And I will bring you guys back when it is ready to cut, and hopefully the inside looks a little bit better than this top ended up, because clearly I messed lots of things up. But that's okay. The glitter is beautiful. Alright. Alright, so I'm back to cut this. As you can see, I already started. I had a brief issue with my camera and my chickens. So that is the inside of the green mango. It smells super yummy. And yeah, I'm gonna have to cut this off short because my kids aren't listening. So thank you for joining. Please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe, and I will see you next time.